Aye, oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look, my cameraman today is Nick. Sous Chef Nick is running my camera. So, hey, it's all on him, Chef. Anyway, today we're making carrot powder. And the reason I'm making carrot powder is because I love carrots in my homemade soup. But when I freeze it, and I warm it up, the carrots are real mushy. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get my dehydrator out. These are carrots I buy, by the way, the jumbos. I've already got these cleaned up real good, ready to get my potato peeler and just start peeling, Chad. Hey, anyway, I've got a process to go. Anyway, this is Chef Bourque. Follow me along. We'll make carrot powder, dehydrated and everything. And once that's dehydrated, we'll go ahead, or once the carrots are dehydrated, we'll go ahead and make the carrot powder. Then we'll start the soup. And the soup is going to be a ribeye roast soup. Hey, it's going to be good. Chef Bourque, talk with you later. Take it easy, Chef. Oh yeah, got it working. All right, these are all crunchy. I'll move it on the side. All right, here I've got my coffee grinder. You want to make sure this rascal is just right, because you're going to spill a little bit around there. Okay, I've got it set on coarse already, and here I go. Here I go. And this is going to give you vegetable beef soup, or however you want to use it, the best flavor you can possibly get. All right, and I'm done. All right, here we go. Got my powdered carrots, or carrot powder. 1, 2. How's it looking, Nick?
It looks getting good.
3 and a half. You can see I got 4 tablespoons of carrot powder out of those 2 jumbo carrots. Hey, that's it, folks. Show's over. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.